Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Concours 14. This bike is in beautiful shape, 43,000 miles, metallic black finish. This one is the one you've been waiting for. We're gonna put brand new fork seals on it. Only 43,000 miles and priced to sell at $49.99. This is a hypersport touring machine, shaft drive, 150 horsepower for $5 grand. This thing is not going to be here long. Come on by and check it out. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. It's got heated grips, adjustable windscreen. See it go up and down. Mega performance. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.